How to scan QR codes on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see some of the tips that will help you scan QR code on your Realme device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So you can always scan the QR code with the help of your Realme camera application if the camera supports the feature. So for that, launch the camera application, point the camera at the QR code, and the camera should automatically recognize the QR code if the feature is supported by your device. After that, a notification or a link will appear on the screen prompting you to open the QR code content such as the website or content information. Then you have to tap on the notifications to open or review the content associated with the QR code. But if there is no such feature in your camera application in your Realme device, some of the Realme phones come with a dedicated scanner application. So you can simply swipe down to your control or to your quick settings and swipe to your left, and there you have this scan QR code feature there. All you have to do is tap on it and then point the phone at the QR code to scan it, and the relevant content or information would be displayed directly in your interface. So if this still is not there in your Realme device, so alternatively you can use the Google Lens. Open up Google Lens app or tap the Google Lens icon in the camera application, usually next to the searcher icon or searcher button, or you can simply open up Google, and once you have it there, you will see this Google Lens icon next to the search bar. Tap on it, and you have to point the camera at the QR code, and Google Lens will automatically recognize the QR code and display its content. So these are some of the ways that will help you scan QR code through your Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.